In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Outlook offline mode. Using the offline mode of Outlook, you can create an email even when there is no internet connection, and the email will be sent once you are back online. So in order to enable the offline mode, click on the settings icon on the top right and then head over to General. Now in some cases, if you're using the web version, you might not see the offline mode. For example, in this web version, if I head over to General, I don't see the offline mode. So if you don't see the offline mode for yourself as well, make sure you download or log into your Outlook account using the app, and then you'll be able to see the offline option. Now here you just need to toggle this option on and your offline mode is now enabled. You can select the days of emails to save and as well as folders to save. Once all of that is done, you are now ready. You can now turn off your internet connection, compose a new email, add in everything that you need, click on send, and it says right here your message is saved in the outbox and will be sent when you're back online. If you head over to the outbox section, you can see it has landed up in the section. Whenever you're back online, the email will be automatically sent. If you head over to the sent item section, there you go. The email now has been sent from the offline mode. So that's pretty much it for today's video. That was a quick tutorial on the way that you enable the offline mode in Outlook. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more informative videos just like this.